Hello, I will show you how to recover EFS files using Advanced EFS Data Recovery. EFS provide the core file encryption technology to store NTFS files encrypted on disk, and the files will be encrypted by using the user's password login. So I will show you how to encrypt the files using EFS. I already create a private folders, and inside the private folders there is two files, private 1 and private 2. The private one looks green, and it's because it's already encrypted using EFS, and I will encrypt the private 2 using EFS. To encrypt the files, we just simply right click on the files and properties, and then choose advanced, and then tick the encrypt contents to secure data, and then press OK. And after that, the private 2 is already encrypted by using EFS. So what if we want to see the encrypted files from other users? I already create a users, and I name it Bung Rian. In Bung Rian's document, I create folders named confidential, and inside the confidential there is an encrypted files by using a password login of Bung Rian. So what if I want to open these files? Access is denied, and there is nothing in the files. So only Bung Rian can open these files. But what if Bung Rian or the user is lost and forgot their password, or maybe hackers change their password, and no one can open these files? So to decrypt these files and to see what inside the files, I will use the Advanced EFS Data Recovery to decrypt the files. Advanced EFS Data Recovery will do the search for encryption key, decrypts the private keys, find the encrypted files on selected partition, and decrypt their file encryption keys. Decrypt files using FEK keys received at the previous step. So the first step, I will scan for keys by press the button scan for keys, and then it will ask for the partition. Which partition do we want to scan? I will choose C, because all the files that I need is on C partition, and then start scan. This will take several minutes while the Advanced EFS Data Recovery searching for the keys. And after it finished, the Advanced EFS Data Recovery will find encryption keys, system registry, and the SAM registry, which is this will help to decrypt the files that encrypted using EFS. And then the next step is searching the files that we want to decrypt. If we already know the path or the folder location of the files, we can go to that folders. For example, we want to decrypt the files from Bung Rian and in confidential folder, and there will be the files in confidential folders. And if we want to decrypt it, we can just click add files into list, and then these files will put into encrypted files. But I will show you how to scan the files if you don't know the location of the files. We can just scan for the encrypted files, and then it will ask for the partition, which partition that we want to scan, and I will choose C and then start scan, and then it will scan all the encrypted files in C partition and put it in the encrypted files here. And after it finished, there will be files in the encrypted files, and then we can see here the users of the files and the file name, the location, the modification date and time, and the size of the files. This is the Bung Rian files that we want to encrypt, and this is the files from CHFI, which is from me, private 1 and private 2. And if we just think which files we want to decrypt, in this case I will just decrypt the files that Bung Rian have. So I untick the private 1 and private 2 and tick the files that Bung Rian have, and then we click decrypt, and this will be the output from the decrypt. So I will just put into my document and then click OK. After finished, we can see in the my document there will be AEFSDR C decrypted, and it will contains the decrypted files from Bung Rian. This is the document and setting, and then the user Bung Rian, my document of Bung Rian, and then inside the my document there will be a confidential folders which contains the very confidential.txt. So we can open the files now. And I suggest you to back up all the data so we don't have to scan for keys the next time we want to decrypt the files. Okay, thank you for watching.